For LGBTQI+, press 3.
During a Pride Month proclamation signing last week, Lieutenant Governor Josh Tenorio, the first and only openly gay lieutenant governor in the U.S., announcing a policy change under the Trump administration that caught many off guard.
There's been a decision in the 988 nationally to cut off the pipeline for people that are looking to talk to somebody in the from the LGBTQ plus community that are looking for supports.
Guam Behavioral Health and Wellness Center Director Carissa Pangilinan among those learning that the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifelines specialized services for LGBTQI plus youth will be eliminated by July 17th.
I was sitting there hearing it for the first time. It's very concerning to us because, the data that we know from SAMHSA is like the last one that came out was in 2023, which basically shows that the LGBTQI plus people are at a higher risk for suicidal thoughts and actions. They're also at a higher risk for substance use. They're at a higher risk for mental health challenges as well as homelessness. And these are all social challenges you see on Guam already, right? At higher rates.
Launched in 2022, the Press 3 feature connects LGBTQI plus youth to trained counselors in the Trevor Project familiar with their unique challenges. But in less than a month, federal funding will no longer be available.
When you call 988 right now, you'll hear a prompt. Press 1 for veteran services. Press 3 for the LGBTQI plus services. So that option number 3 is no longer going to be there. But it doesn't mean that 988 is not going to be there.
She says her staff undergo sensitivity and awareness training for the LGBTQ plus community, though not at the level the Trevor Project was providing.
I was sitting there sending a message to my program manager for 988 saying, I need you to send an email right now to SAMHSA, right, to our funder, to ask, in light of President Trump's cut, are you going to provide the local networks specialized training now for this population?
Guam Behavioral Health is now evaluating other options to continue to provide the specialized service, to include working with community partners like EOG's Triton Pride Alliance and Gala Guam.
Just rest assured that as the Public Behavioral Health Agency, we are looking at whatever types of support our community needs in light of all of this, and we want to keep the confidence that the community has in calling our 988. You will be received well on the other end by trained and professional and compassionate Lifeline specialists.
Mitsuki Hirayama, KUAM News.